Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about a question from CSR NET December 2024. The question is from complex analysis. The question says that let f from C to C be the function defined by hz is equal to e to the power cos 1 plus iota into sin z for z is equal to x plus iota into y belongs to set of all complex number C. Write fz as u function of xy plus iota into phi function of xy, where u, phi are real valued function. Which of the following is the value of partial derivative of u with respect to x at the point 0, 0? Now, there is a question that is there any relation between the derivative of function f and the partial derivative of real and imaginary part of f? The answer is yes. What is the relation? The relation is f dash is equal to del u del x plus iota into del v del x. So, using this formula, we can easily solve this problem. Now, f dash at the point 0, 0, this is equal to del u del x at the point 0, 0 plus iota into del v del x at the point 0, 0. Actually, here f is function of z and here z is equal to x plus iota into y. So, we can easily say that f of z, that is f is also function of xy. Therefore, the value of del u del x at the point 0, 0, this is equal to real part of f dash at the point 0, 0. So first we have to find the value of f dash at the point 0, 0. Now here fz is equal to e to the power cos 1 plus iota into sin z. Now f dash z, this is equal to e to the power cos 1 plus iota into sin z into cos 1 plus iota into cos z. Now f dash 0, 0, this is equal to e to the power cos 1 plus iota into sin 0 into cos 1 plus iota into cos 0. Now, if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then easily z is equal to x plus iy, this is equal to 0. So, we put here z is equal to 0 and we get this. Therefore, f dash 0, 0, this is equal to e to the power 0 sin 0 is equal to 0 into cos of 1 plus iota into 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. This is equal to cos of 1 plus iota. Now, cos of 1 plus iota is equal to, we know that cos a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So, therefore, cos of 1 plus iota is equal to cos 1 into cos iota minus sin 1 into sin iota. Now, cos of iota into x, this is equal to cos hyperbolic x, and sin of iota into x is equal to iota into sin hyperbolic x. Here x is equal to 1, so cos 1 cos iota is equal to cos hyperbolic 1 minus sin 1 into sin iota is equal to iota into sin hyperbolic 1, that is iota sin 1 into sin hyperbolic 1. Therefore, f dash 0, 0 is equal to cos 1 cos hyperbolic 1 minus iota into sine 1 into sine hyperbolic 1. Now del u del x at the point 0, 0, this is equal to real part of f dash at the point 0, 0. This is equal to cos 1 into cos hyperbolic 1. Now cos hyperbolic x is equal to e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2. Using this formula, here we get cos 1 into cos hyperbolic 1 is equal to e to the power 1 plus e to the power minus 1 divided by 2. This is equal to e plus 1 by e into cos 1 divided by 2. This is the answer. So, the correct option is option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Thank you.